All right, in this case, this section is actually incredibly similar to section 6.14, so I don't blame you for not spending a lot of time on it. But in this case, we're going to look at a store that has some gourds. And these gourds were originally $3.50, but end of the season sale has them for $1 instead. And let's see. I don't think I'm gonna try it. Well, I'm gonna try drawing one of those little pumpkin gourds. Kind of, yeah. I can kind of see it. And the question is, what percent decrease did this happen? All right, so for this, we're going to use a very similar formula from our previous one, actually. And it looks like this. We're just going to write percent of decrease equals the amount of decrease over the original amount. So if we look at an example real quick before we return to our gourd problem, if we find a percent that from something that goes from 50 to 40, and they say what is percent decrease, all I need to do is write my formula in. I can write, trying to find that percent, and I can say it's the amount over original amount decrease. So, well, how much did it decrease? Well, if I started at 50 and I went to 40, it's going to give me 10, right? So I have 10 decrease, and the original that I went down is, that I started at was I had 50. So in this case, I can set it up this way. I have 1/5, and I can just divide. And it's going to give me a 0.2, which I can write as 20%. And this way, it gets it pretty easily, which is not too bad. It's almost exactly what we were doing before, except we're just putting the amount of decrease on the top instead of the amount of increase. So it's pretty simple. Let's quickly do the gourd problem that we were looking at before. So our original price was $3.50. And the new price is $1. So I'm going to use my little formula. I'm going to say amount of decrease over my original. It's going to give me my percent decrease, right? All right, my amount decrease. Well, if I had $3.50 and I subtract $1 from the original price, it's going to be a $2.50 decrease. And you can see that buying stuff at the end of the season is, a good way to get some good deals. So my amount of decrease is $2.50. My original price is $1. So I have $2.50 divided by 1, which is going to be $2.50. And I can move my decimal point 2 places over. So this is going to be a 250% decrease, which is a pretty good deal. But not that surprisingly, because the store would rather, dump its inventory at the end of the season, get some money for it, than having to throw all those gourds in the garbage. Okay, if you feel like you get it, go ahead and go on. I'm going to do 2 more examples if you'd like to see me set it up a couple more times. All right. It looks like the book disagreed with what I was saying because I made a mistake on this problem here. And I'm going to re-record. Whoa.